Hi, Bill Knighton with RightAngle. With so many businesses today buying acrylic shields and sneeze guard protection for their offices, there's a feature that's often overlooked, and that is a sliding mounting bracket. Now, why do you think a sliding mounting bracket would be important? Well, I can give you a couple of examples. Most work surfaces today and acrylic shields are never exactly the size they say they are. So a 72-inch shield might actually be only 70 inches wide, and a work surface that they say is 72 inches wide might be 71 inches wide. Take a product by RightAngle. Our work surfaces, a 72-inch wide work surface, is really, it's 71 3/4. Another manufacturer might be 71. Kind of see where I'm going with this? So when you buy that acrylic shield, it might not always fit correctly. A lot of times you'll want the two surfaces to kind of come together, kind of like this for a corner, so you don't have the big air gap. And if you have standard mounting brackets, a lot of times that will not be achievable. So if the acrylic shield is 69 inches across and you're mounting it on an actual work surface that's 71 3/4, you can see where you're going to have some gaps. And that happens. So you want something that's adjustable. So what we have is a sliding bracket. And how this works, as you can see, you've got the sliding portion of it there. This is our clamp mount. And I'll just kind of show you on this work surface how it works. So I can mount this. And you see this big gap? Now you can close it. And adjust it, tighten it down, and now you'll have a lot less of a gap. Makes it much more flexible, and it'll make it fit your workstation better. Also, with our product, you can use the snap together clips, where they'll snap onto the corners to also keep it rigid, so when they're installed, it's solid. So that's why I think a sliding mounting bracket is really helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us at RightAngle. Thanks for watching.